Okay, you start.
If you have to buy me a gift, what you will be?
For you,
Yes.
new football boots.
Why?
Then you can shoot straight to the right person.
Difficult question now. Who is a nutmeg king in training? You can say the truth. You can say the truth.
Let me think first.
What do you think? Look.
Let me think.
Just look.
Yeah, I look, but
And what? Tell me the answer.
not Miskic.
Mishko, no, my friend.
Okay, Krona.
Krona.
Hey, honestly, and you a little bit. I think I put you on 2 and Krona 1.
This guy is too false. Third,
Yeah,
which perfume do you use?
Prada.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
I don't think so.
No, it's good. You really have to try it.
I don't think so.
No? You don't smell me?
You don't have people around you. Never.
That's how good it smells. I don't need people around me.
What you will do when you retire?
I think I want to get my license for coach, but only for the youth.
Coach?
Yeah, my friend.
I hope to. I hope
Hey.
that you will not have
You know,
team.
hey, I always put pressure for you to go forward. You don't hear my voice? Honestly, give answer, my friend.
It's difficult to
No,
answer.
really, really.
I cannot imagine you are a coach. You will be coach.
No, youth coach, not for the older. Because you know, when they start to get 16, 15, they get big mouth, you know.
Goal from 40 yards or dribbling past whole defense with your left.
40 yards.
With your left.
That's why I'm saying 40 yards,
That's
my
why
friend.
I say.
You see, you saw the
your
goal
left.
once, huh? Quality, my
I
friend.
think will
You?
be great.
Also 40 yards, huh?
Yes,
I
with
know.
my right also.
With your right.
Yes,
But you have to get new boots of me then.
yes, I have to.
That's otherwise.
I will
we'll-
wait. I will wait.
Wait.
Who will look better in 30 years? You or me?
You know what they say about black people, huh?
I cannot
You
talk about
can't-
black people.
No, black don't crack.
You
Like
think?
this, I'll be after 30 years too.
I will not. That's why I don't
Yeah, man.
answer.
Hey,
Because my wife will kill me. Favorite movie?
Man on Fire. You know it?
No.
Denzel Washington. Watch it.
We will watch together, okay?
Yeah, no problem. It's a really good movie.
Okay.
How long would you last in a fight with Conor McGregor?
I don't know. You have to ask him.
How long do you think
I don't
in
know.
the cage? He's not that strong on the ground, eh? So if you grab him on the ground, maybe.
I will take one ball with me. You will see.
That's no ball, my friend. Only hands.
I can do whatever I want.
Winter fashion or summer fashion? This one is easy for you, my friend.
Which one you think?
Of course, summer, my friend.
Thank
Hey,
you.
You're from Porto, eh?
Thank
You're
you.
a sunny guy. eh?
You already know
I already know
who is
everything.
the best country, yeah?
It's not the best country,
Not
but
Ghana.
It's hot. Summer, always
Yeah,
summer,
but-
my friend. Hey, you have to go to Ghana. I went to Lisbon once.
That's why.
It's nice.
It's nice. You
No,
want to
really.
live there? You'd
No,
like
I don't want to live there, but it was nice. It's a nice city. Who's your roommate?
Turcos. Turcos. What?
And now
He scored every games.
yeah, I just left.
That's why.
Yeah, I laugh of joy. I'm glad for you that he's your roommate.
I will learn with him.
Yeah, you have to
Something.
learn also him. You're older, so you have
Yes.
to direct him.
Yeah.
Maradona or Messi?
Cristiano.
Why
For you?
Mar-
Messi.
Yeah, Messi.
Because you have the same technique like him.
No. I don't have the same technique as him.
Same left footed.
Maybe, you know. Which Olympia player would you not want to fight? You have to choose one.
I don't have afraid nobody.
But you have to choose one.
With you. Not because of your body, because I like you. And I don't want
To
to.
hurt me. Okay, you're a
Yes.
nice guy, so okay, I understand. I
You? Which player?
I would like to fight Ara.
Yes?
Yes.
But I think he will kill you.
You think so?
Yes. With his hair. Why you laugh? Why you laugh?
No, I think I will choose. There's no one didn't want to fight. If there's someone I could punch, it will be Ara. Yeah. Would you let me shoot a decisive penalty against Maribor? Would you let me shoot a decisive penalty? Yeah?
Yes.
You have faith in me?
Yes.
I like it.
100%.
I would like to let you shoot too.
Why?
Yeah,
If you have
I think-
confidence, if you tell me,
Yeah.
I will let you. I don't know if Berkey will like that, but we'll see.
True. The guy's a little bit greedy, eh? No, but yes, I would.
Huh?
Yeah, I would like you to shoot.
Which side will you shoot?
Always right.
Don't tell me.
Right.
Right?
Down. Yeah, easy. Inside feet.
No, I will not let you shoot for
Why
sure.
not? Why not?
Because you already say which side you will shoot.
Yeah, but if there's from there, I can shoot left. I tell you now, because then the keeper of Maribor will watch, and he will go that side, and I shoot the other side. You see, hey,
Smart.
That's
You
the
start
thing,
to
my
read.
my friend, always smart guy, my friend. Also inside, bro. It don't crack.
Exactly. This is what I'm saying.
You know. Would you kiss me for €1 million?
Just one kiss. I give you. If you accept, of course.
Yeah, you do it? I wouldn't do it, man.
Why?
It's against my principles, man.
Oh.
Yeah, nah, I can't do that, man. Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yes.
You want to kiss or?
No, thank you, thank you,
Okay.
thank you.